Hello everyone. Today we will understand how to make equation of line using the graphs for the linear equations. For that we have to use the formula which is y is equals to mx plus b, where m is also called as slope as well as gradient of a line, and we can calculate it by using the formula rise over run. Now let's understand how we can calculate the rise and run. For that, we need a point which is exactly on the whole number value. That means the value of the point should be a whole number, like 1, 2, 2, 3. It shouldn't be 1.5, 2.5. It should be a whole number. So if I'll see this point is having the exactly whole number value, which is 0, 1. Similarly, if I'll find out any other point on this particular line, so it is this point, which is 5, -2. So it is also having a whole number value. Now what we will do, we will make a line from here and we will join this line with the another point. Now the values for the rise will be how many steps are there. So 3 steps. How many steps are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 steps. That means the value for m is equals to 3 over 5. Now the second thing which we need to take care is, you have to see if the values are decreasing. So you can see the values are decreasing for both the value of x as well as the value of y. In that case, we have to write a negative sign along with the value of the m, because the values are decreasing. Or if you want to remember, you can remember it like this. If the graph is like this, it's decreasing, then the value of m will be negative. If the graph is like this, which is increasing, then the value of m is positive. Now here we will get the value of m, which is a negative value. So the value of m is equals to -3 over 5. Now let's understand what is b. So b is also called as y-intercept. Now what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is the point from where the line passing through the y-axis. So you can see here, I have already marked this point as 0, 1. So the value of b is equals to the value of the y coordinate, which is 1. So this line is crossing the y-axis at the value of y equals to 1, which is a value for b. So it means if I need to find out what is the equation of a line is, I have to use the general equation of line, and then I have to substitute the values of m and b, which we have already got from the graph of line. So we'll write down here y is equals to, in place of m, -3 over 5x, plus in place of b, it will be 1. So what we have to do, we have to take this 1 to this side. We'll get y minus 1 is equals to -3 over 5x. Now we will take this 5 to this side. So this 5 we will write down here, and then we will put a bracket. Y minus 1 is equals to -3x. Why we have done so? Because that 5 has to be multiplied with both the values y as well as -1. Now let's open the brackets. We'll get here 5 into y minus 5 into 1 is equals to -3x. We will get 5y minus 5 is equals to -3x. You can take this 3x value to this side. When you will take this -3x to this side, it will be a positive value. 3x plus 5y minus 5 is equals to 0. So that is the equation of the line. So the equation of this line is 3x plus 5y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now let's do the next part of the question. Now first we have to calculate what is the value for m, which is equals to a negative value again, because again it's a decreasing trend. So it would be negative value. Now we have to find out the exact points. So if I will see this is the exact point, this is the exact point, I will make a line from here, join this with the another point. So rise is 2 and run is 1, 2 and 3. So the value of m is equals to negative 2 over 3. Now what's the value for b? B is equals to, here you can see, it is passing through the value of y, which is equals to negative 4. So the value of b is negative 4. So the equation is y is equals to mx plus c. So the equation is y is equals to mx plus b, where the value of m is negative 2 over 3 and the value of b is negative 4. So first we will take this value to this side. We'll get y plus 4 is equals to negative 2 over 3x. We will take this 3 to this side. We'll get 3y plus 4 is equals to negative 2x. Then we'll open the brackets. It would be 3y plus 12 is equals to minus 2x. We will take this negative 2x to this side. We'll get 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. So the equation of the line is 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Now let's take the example of the equation of a line where the graph is given in terms of an increasing trend. Now, in this case, if you will see, the values are in the increasing trend. So the value for the slope, which is m, will be a positive value. So let's find out the exact points on the line. So this is the point, and I can see this point is crossing at the whole number values for x and y coordinate. So the value for m is rise over run. So rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 units, and run is 1, 2, 2 units. So the value of m is 5 over 2. Now the value of b is, since it's passing through, the value of y is equals to 0. So the value of b is equals to 0. Now if I have to write the equation, it would be y is equals to mx plus b, where the value of m is 5 by 2 x plus the value for b is 0. So we'll get y is equals to 5 over 2x. 2 you will take to this side. You will get 2y is equals to 5x. You will take this x value to this side. It would be 2y minus 5x equals to 0. Or we can write it as, you can take 2y to this side and then you can write it as 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. Both are correct. Now similarly, if you will see the next graph, the value for m is equals to. So we'll take that. This is the exact point here. And the another point which is exact here is this one. So I'll put this sort of a triangle here to calculate the value of m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value for m is equals to 7 over 4 and the value for b is equals to, yes, 4. So now let's put the value in the equation mx plus b. Let's substitute the values in the equation. So y will be equals to 7 over 4x plus 4. Now take this 4 to this side. We'll get y minus 4 is equals to 7 over 4x. Now take this 4 to this side. 4y minus 4 is equals to 7x. We'll get 4y minus 16 is equals to 7x. We'll take the 7x to this side. We'll get 4y minus 7x minus 16 equals to 0. If you want to keep the x values positive, you can take these values to this side. Then you will get 7x minus 4y plus 16 is equals to 0. Any of these equations, if you will write, that will be the right answer. So this is how we can find out the equation of a line using the graph of a linear equation. I hope you understand it very well. do the questions, and please write the comment in the comment section that did you get all of your answers right or not. And if you get all the answers right, do not forget to hit the like button and share my channel link with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.